Hey my dear friends, Alex here from Alex 80s, and this is episode 2 of Filmora Riddles, where I bring to you the entertaining training of what you love. This is a real test! Unlike the previous episode, today I have 5 riddles for you to solve, and we are focusing on audio tools. So just as usual guys, we don't take much of your time before showing you the package of today. So let us go to the first one. Which of the following is the correct minimum and maximum length of an audio for you to be able to use the audio stretch tool? Well, it's time up. Let us see how many of you got it right here. The correct is B. Okay, now let us find out how true is that. Okay, this is very simple again guys. I'm going to use a sound effect as an example to show how this length limits operates. So here I go right straight to sound effects and break down this one. So when I reach out for the audio stretch tool right here and try to use it over here, you can find out that it's been cancelled, showing that it cannot work right here. And when you try to select, it shows you the reason why. The audio must be at least above 10 seconds and then below 10 hours. Now if the first was too easy for you, wait to see the next one. Now, I don't want many of you to fail this test guys, otherwise you won't come back for episode 3. So what I'm going to do is to give you a little background of this whole question. So here I've got 2 video clips in my timeline, and when I drag a transition between these 2 clips, there is an audio transition that comes automatically with this transition that I place right here. There is a default audio transition that is applied together with my transition of the video clips. And now that I've given you a little background, here is the question. Which of these following audio transitions is defaultly applied or automatically applied whenever you apply a transition onto your video clips? Congratulations to him who got it right. The correct is C. Now let us prove it with at least 3 different transitions. So right here, I will drag this one first. And now I just move the mouse above the audio transition like this, and you will see the name right here. Now let us see a different transition. Coming on to the third one. You know I don't want to make things hard for you guys, so I'm going to make it a little easier again, and at the same time training you to understand the difference between the audio effects. So now get your ears ready. So I'm going to preview for you the original audio of my words, a full sentence, and then after that I will add one of the Filmora audio effects, and then from the list that I'm going to give you, I will let you tell me which effect I used. So here is the original audio. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. And here is the audio after the effect. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Let's go! The correct is A. If you got it right, that's good. And if you have got it wrong, please let us know in the comment. So when I break down this effect right here, and when you listen, weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning, you find out that it's bringing the same effects as that of A. Now back to length limitations, and let us have a close look to audio synchronization feature. No briefing on this one, the question remains the same. Which of the following is the correct minimum and maximum length of an audio for you to be able to use the auto synchronization feature? And now the correct is B. So let us see the truth of that. Now I use another short audio again, which is the sound effect, and when I select it with another audio right here, and when I try to use the auto synchronization feature right here, it shows me that more than 1 second and then less than 1 hour. So for those who could not understand the whole concept, this feature is used to sync your 2 audios. If you use 2 microphones to record the same event, maybe the other microphone is better than the other, so you would like to prefer for that one which is right. So now you can sync your 2 audios using this feature in just a second. And now on the last one, my friends, before we end this video. So again, I'm going to give you a brief of this whole question. And here goes the briefing, which is more of a hint. Now, giving you an example from the video clips. When I select multiple files like this, there are things that can be done to multiple files. And to some extent, nothing can be done to multiple files. Now, let us bring it to the audios. Which of the following combination of options is possible to multiple audios in the timeline? And the correct is D. Now it's very simple to prove that, because when you select more than one audio in your timeline, you see only these two options shows up right here. And of course the third one is the pasting of the effects. And when I right click, you see the paste effect option right here, showing that this action is allowed. Marking the very end of this video, guys. I'm so excited to see how many of you got 5 out of 5 here. So you guys must feel free to show up your marks in the comment section. And if you like the series, just subscribe and share the video to that your friend who pretends to be knowing Wondershare Filmora. Check out episode 3 next week.